girl with confidence. When I got we roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up on night.
Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I am rocking this Auburn red wig. This hair is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, and a full styling tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye!
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this box, I received a few goodies like a wig cap, a headband, a brush, eyelashes, and a bonnet. This unit is a 24-inch water wave 33b color wig. She is 13x4 lace frontal unit. She is very thick with adjustable straps and combs. So first things first, we are going to bleach the knots on this unit. I'm going to take my quick blue powder bleach with my 50 volume developer. We're going to mix that up together to create a nice thick consistency. We're going to take our Got2b Glue Blast Free Spray, spray that hairline, and then comb all the little hairs back to avoid over bleaching. I then begin to add the bleach to the unit on the lace frontal, of course, and then we're going to let that sit for over 2 hours and wash it out with purple conditioner and shampoo. This is the next day, and here we are going to pluck this unit. As you can see, the hairline looks very natural already. I did leave the bleach on for a very long time, and the knots did end up lifting even on a pre-colored unit. So as you can see, I am plucking behind the hairline on this unit and then finishing it off plucking the actual hairline just so it can blend together and look very natural. I do the same thing on each side, and then I don't pluck as much in the middle just because we like to have a nice widow's peak, and on a natural like hairline, the middle of your head is more thicker than the sides of your head. So here I'm just touching up on the front, and then we're going to install this unit. So now we're going to apply this unit on our head. We're going to do our bald cap method today. And of course, that song that you heard in the beginning, we're going to play that all the way through right now, just so we can listen to the vibes while you watch me install this unit.
When I got with confidence. When I got we roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up on night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam, jam. can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Bum, 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 bum.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah.
So now it's time to style this unit. We're gonna do 2 little buns on top and then add some jewels to our hair. It's a perfect look for like a festival or like carnival, you know. So I just felt very inspired, and I did do this look at 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all, so I look a little tired. So here I am just separating the frontal from the tracks and making sure some of the frontal is pushed back so you won't see any of the tracks, and then I use my wax stick and hot comb just to separate and make that part a little bit more smoother. And once I do that, we are going to take our She Shine Infusion. It's like a lightweight hairspray, but it's more for like the shine, so I just use that and then take a ponytail holder and just make a little ponytail, take a brush and tease the hair, and then just wrap the hair around and get a a bobby pin to secure this unit. It's a little early me doing this voiceover, y'all. I do the same thing on the other side. I just love the luster of this hair. Like, you see the shine on this every time I apply my wax stick. It's really good quality hair, and I love this color on me, okay? So here I'm just doing it on the other side, and don't forget to tease it because the hair is thin, like, you know, the parting is thin, so we're gonna have to thicken it up by teasing it. And so we're just going to wrap that and secure it with a bobby pin, and then we are going to just clean up the rest of the hair by taking my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine and just put that on our hands and just rub that through the hair. I finger comb this hair because I love the water wave of it. So it's so gorgeous. So here is just, 2 hours later, and I decided I wanted to add jewels to this unit. And so I taking my NYX glitter primer, putting that on a surface, and I'm taking my jewels in a tweezer that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. And honestly, the primer just does the job. Like, it held on there for a cool minute. Like, this is perfect for like a festival event. It's giving me Spice Girls. But yeah, that is basically it, you guys. So that is basically it. Let me know down below how you feel about this hairstyle in the comments. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.